This is part 3 of straight lines video. The topic is parallel lines. What is parallel lines? Lines that are parallel by their very definition must have the same gradient. This is the condition of parallel. The blue line and the right line is parallel. So the gradient of the blue line will be equal with the gradient of red line. This is the first knowledge. The second one is perpendicular lines. The two lines shown below are perpendicular each other. I will give this here. So this is perpendicular line. You have to know that the gradient of yellow line multiply with the gradient of the green line will be equal -1. Why, mister? Because the two line is perpendicular. Okay, I will give you example for number 1. Find the equation of the line parallel to this that pass through. You have to know the line is parallel to. So what is the gradient, mister? The gradient is -3. So what is the equation, mister? Remember, we have y equal to mx plus j. And then, mister, what is y, mister? Look at this. Y is 4. And what is m? M -3. What is x, mister? X is 0 plus c. So I will have c equal to 4. So what is the equation, mister? The equation is y -3x plus 4. Yeah, like this. Okay, this is number 1. I hope and I believe you can solve for number 2. How about number 3, mister? Look at the question. Find the equation of the line parallel to this that pass through the point this. The first one, you need to learn the equation. Mister, this is not y as subject. How to change y as subjects? It's simple. We must change y as subject. So if we have x mean 2y plus 6, we have to make y as subject. So -2y will be equal with 6 minus x. So y will be equal with -3 plus x per 2. Why, mister? Because this one divided by -2. For what, mister? For make y as subject. So what is the gradient, mister? The gradient is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x, mister? 1/2. That's gradient. How to find the equation, mister? It's simple. You just need to learn the points. So you can write y equal to mx plus c. And look at the point. What is y? Y is 2. What is m? 1/2. What is x? X1 plus c. So 2 will be equal with 1/2 plus c. So what is c, mister? C is 1.5. So what is the equation, mister? The equation is y will be equal with mx plus c. M is 1/2. X and c is 1 1/2 itu sama dengan 3/2. Itu ya. That's number 3. After you look at number 3, I believe you can solve number 4. Okay, I will clear the screen. Clear screen. Clear screen. Okay, number 5. Look at number 5. Write down the equation of the line perpendicular to the line Y, like this, which pass through the point. Because perpendicular, we have to find what is the m. The gradient is -2/3 times m will be equal with -1. So m will be equal with -1 divided by -2/3. Coret. So we will have 3/2. That's m. What is the equation, mister? Same the equation, you just need to write y equal to mx plus j. What is the point? This is the point. What is y? Y2. What is m? 3/2. What is x? X6 plus c. And 2, coret. This is 3. This is 9 plus c. 2 minus 9 will be equal with c. So 2 minus 9 is -7. So what is the equation, mister? The equation is y 3/2 x minus 7. This is number 5. I believe you can finish number 6. That's so easy, right? Okay, that's all.